Now we have found our old base that we made 1 year ago, and we gonna rebuild it. This is our shelter now. Then we are gonna put our tarpaulin on it. Our base now. It's very good. This is our fire. We are gonna sleep here next night. This shows how good this shelter is. Very comfortable base. Now we are going to make some food. We have potatoes and pork here in fire. We are gonna wrap them potatoes up and put here. We just woke up and then we are gonna start our fire.